How exciting does this get? Minu V3, Minu Double, first time visible, and the Minu V3 is newborn capable. That's full lay flat, front enclosure, super simple to fold. All you have to do is pull on the strap, bring it all the way up, apply your brake, slide the trigger and squeeze all the way down, you are done. All you have to do is pull on the strap and throw it over your shoulder. Minu V3, super compact, overhead compartment capable. This is game changing for 2025. Minu Double is twin capable, toddler, younger, fits through a door at only 28.5 inches, and super compact. Independent reclines, large canopy, full enclosure, just like its baby Minu. I can fully enclose any one of the two sides to keep the babies encapsulated. Very simple to fold again, sit them both up, apply the brake, slide the trigger, bring it all the way down, and you are done. Nice and compact, very easy to handle. Come visit UPPAbaby, follow along, share it with your friends. Liking this video and subscribing is really, really important. Call us at 877-82-2624 or email us at cs@babybaby.com. We have 5 convenient locations for you to shop at: Miami, Florida, Paramus, New Jersey, Middletown, New Jersey, Long Island, New York. Comment below with any questions. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this in the future, and thank you for watching.